Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to replace this sway bar link, right? So you've got a sway bar down here, there's a sway bar bushings back in that corner, and those bushings can go bad, but sometimes these sway bars can go bad here. They'll get, these boots will get loose or break open, and then the grease won't be able to do what it needs to do in there. And so you just have to undo a bolt here and undo a bolt here. I've coated it with some penetrating oil, so hopefully it comes off fairly easy. And so we'll start with the, I think we'll start with the bottom one first, and hopefully that one will come out freely, easily, and then we'll go with that one. So that's a number 18. Okay, do the top one. We did kind of luck out there, so what will happen sometimes I did put penetrating oil on it, but sometimes they get stuck, and see you've got a flat side on the back here where you could put a wrench on the back side to be able to hold it, or also there's an Allen, so you can put an Allen in here with a wrench here. I'll just exhibit it. So this one, to remove it, it's an Allen 6. And you would hold that there, and you would have your wrench here if this was just spinning back here to undo it. But fortunately we didn't have an issue there. And then this one we can easily get with an impact, so it should come off fairly easy with that fast motion. And then you just pull and remove. Like you see, this has the sides here where you could get a wrench on here to hold it also. Otherwise, you do have the Allen also to hold it, because what will happen is it'll just spin around in here and you won't be able to loosen this. So here we have our new one. Hold it. Okay, so we've tightened the top one. And sometimes, depending on the stress from the sway bar, you may have to have jacked up the A-arm here a little bit, and or pulled it down with the pry bar. All right. So that's how you replace your sway bar link on the 2019 Nissan Sentra. This applies to most vehicles. Some might be a little different, where it's bent here and it goes straight up this way. And so instead of being 90 and a 90, you just have one that goes up and would bolt into the same type of handle here that just comes out flat, flush this way, and it just goes up in there. But either way, it's going to link up here and provide stability for your drive. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.